Hey guys, within this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the BeReal app on your mobile device. If you're actually using an Android device, go over to the Google Play Store and download from there. But as I'm using an iPhone, it's the App Store button in the middle of my screen right now, this blue button. Press there, go down to the bottom right, the search page, and then up at the top, start typing in BeReal, and then press the search button on the bottom right. And that's going to bring up a bunch of listings. Skip past the first advertisement, and there we go guys. The BeReal app is in black right here, and then on the right hand side it's got a button that says get, and basically you want to press that, and it's going to ask us to confirm our Face ID by double clicking the button on the right hand side of the device. Double click, confirm Face ID, and then it's going to start downloading the app on your device, and you can see the progress of the download by the blue ring going around the circle in the top right there. So guys, BeReal has downloaded on this device, and then from there you want to press the open button to launch the app. And as we can see, it's basically asking us for our phone numbers to send us a verification text, and then you continue from there, follow all of the steps, either create your account or log into your account and start using BeReal. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.